2022 Dodge Durango HEMI 5.7. Look at that RT. Got black stripes on a black car. Very sexy. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we added two vibrant 18-inch, part number 1793. There'll be a link in the description for them, right there. Right there. Then True Flow X pipe, there'll be a link in the description for it. Also, we added that in. Then continued the True Duals all the way back, deleted the resonators out the back, there and there. And then put our signature 5-inch black tips out the back, right there, powder coated. Came out really clean, really nice. And then what was on it, there's the two resonators that were on it. Then it had a muffler delete before. We took it all off, cleaned it up, made it look a lot nicer, give it the Exhaust Addicts touch, as you guys can see right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's it? So when you get on it, it opens up. Perfect. Do you approve? Yes, sir. Again? He drove all the way from Arkansas, guys, so we're really, really appreciate him coming down. Sound decibels? 103. He didn't want it too loud, he wanted a clean sound. It's clean at idle too. That's the nice thing about the vibrance. At idle is just clean. It's not overly loud, you know? Especially when you mix it in with the X pipe. Very nice. What do you guys think? That's all that manufacturing burning off oils. They'll stop smoking. Benefit, another satisfied customer. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Durango RT HEMI. Vibrant mids, X pipe, rear delete, 5-inch diff. There she goes, heavy, babe. Enjoy, guys.